It is needed.
Come on, boys. One shot.
Flask up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Throw anchor.
Drawing. Group 3 go.
From behind. Watch out. New ads are up. Swap. Oh, don't watch out.
Behind you guys.
Okay, to your new markers. Again, check the list. You
Oh,
go where it's
downtime.
supposed to. Okay, groups 1 and 2, try to
Alright.
get the debuff here.
Going, group 5, you can go.
Well, let's
First get hots, please.
3 in the back, purple.
Yep. Behind the boss. Group
Remember.
1, 2 resets here. 2-minute cooldowns on the other.
Rolling.
Everyone else can go.
Duncan.
Give the 4 seconds. Coming up.
Stack up.
Oh, 3 in the back.
Chop, chop. More. We need more. One more.
We lost Steffi. The map.
I group slightly into
Rebuff.
Drinking. We need some space around purple, please.
Okay, next group, you can go up. Spread
Yeah.
for the wave.
Halo!
We have ranged people sucking. You want to take this also?
Yeah.
Drawing. Group 3 go.
Okay, stack. Bait the blood feast. Afterwards, only group 4 resets. Everyone else goes out to suck.
One on the front of the boss. We'll go to you. Got Demon Hunter.
Group 4.
Lost.
Yep.
Kill this ad.
Band suppression.
Group 4.
Spread.
Soaks.
One in the back, one in the back, in the back, in the back. I'll do it.
Spread.
Stay spread, please. Kill the Goonies here and stack to bait the feast. Go soak if you can. You need to make it to the feast.
Sure. Grip me. Grip me.
Grip Grosskal. Okay. Dunk it.
Dunking. I might not have grip of 6 seconds.
It's fine. Just spread out.
I will have grip slightly into boss.
Start moving towards moon.
Gate's already set. Move.
Once the intermission is over, you go to the place on the list, okay? Move. Go back. Then we go in the link. After this, you go to your assigned spot. Soak if possible. 2 in front of the boss.
I got it, I got it.
And then the boss door.
Spread.
Stay spread, please. Dance. Turn. Dodge the balls and soak if you can. Stay spread. Gaze coming up. Turn.
Wave.
Spread.
Armor.
Soak
When
if you
you're
can.
ready.
In the back, purple. One more.
One more on purple, please.
Inverse is there.
Get ready to turn. Turn. Spread. Go soak if you can, please. Dance as well. Stay close to those you can soak.
Rest me.
Get all stop, please. Stay spread. Gaze coming up. Turn. Soaks coming up. Soak if you can, please.
You got that one on the boss, leave it.
Dance.
Also dodge the dance. Defensives and everything.
Health stones, anything?
Turn.
Come on, boys!
Fucking clean! Oh, nice.
One shot, boy.
We
Goddamn one shot! Told you!
Yeah, boy.
Let's
We
go!
don't need feasts.
The fucking feast.
Fuck that.
My ass.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I got that crappy trinket.
I
You
mean,
need?
Okay, you guys res up real quick.
Oh, 395, holy shit. That's actually
Yeah.
That was
pretty
like one
fucking
shot.
tasty.